Hello everyone, welcome to Conscious Nepal YouTube channel again after a quite long time. Here I am with you to present how we can export the output file of SPSS into Excel. And here I have sample data, and all of you already have known that we have to go to analyze for any kind of analysis in the SPSS, then tables and custom tables. And I'm going to cross tab the caste ethnicity with the gender, like gender gonna be row, and statistics, it's here is already account by default, and we're gonna calculate column percentage. And if you want to format this table count as number of count and column response instead of like percentage, and change on to decimal point 1. If you do not need the decimal after the figure, then you can down it into 0 and apply the selection clause, and I'm gonna cross tab with the caste and ethnicity with this gender column total, and then you can check on the total box. And if you need also the row total, and you can also check the row total, and you can click OK to see the results, and then you can see the result in the output file. And if you click on the table here and right click, and then you also see the export, and just click on the export. And here I'm using the SPSS 26 version, and you can click on the browse wherever you want to save your file. Then you can name gender and caste, save. If you check on the open the container folder, then it will automatically open the folder where you have saved your file, and then OK. And save, and it's gonna open the folder that the file is located, caste and gender cross tab here. Now Excel file, we have the output table, now you can format the table as you like, In this way you can export the output of the SPSS file into the Excel, and you can format your table as you need it, So this is it for today, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Thank you.